Oh, it is.
This is gonna be a blast.
What is this one?
Otter slide, maybe they call it.
Let's see where to slide.
Oh, it'll be intense. It'll be fun with it's intense now that we're all tied up.
Keep your knees up. Keep your knees up.
It's not too bad.
Spin. Spin it. I don't think that smoke's gonna make it through this one.
Shit.
I already fell on and survived. Can't get any.
Anyway, Jake, show us the way.
This looks like a long one. Yeah, Jake, show us the way.
We're good.
This is not going to be good. We're pulling out. Back pedal, back pedal.
We're good. Oh, shit! Benny! Oh. Ben, come on! Oh, shit!
Oh no! Yeah! Oh, fuck yeah! Oh, that was awesome.
We're not done yet. Let's do it again.
We are! Get the beach ball.
I am completely soaked. She almost went over the top and hit her.
She jumped, yeah, I saw it. Here they come. Is this our group?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh!
The next three
The next three
are
are us. That was way better in a group. Oh, they're backwards. Look at Press. He's got a beer. Oh, Nick. Awesome.
That's determination.
Wow, what a display.
We made it! Woo! All right.
Yeah, I don't know. This might be tough, but we'll try it.